here I had a Ford Fiesta 2017 with a 1.6 liter engine, and it had all these codes, P0030, P0131, P2237, and the one I want to really focus on is this P0030 heater control circuit, because if the control circuit on the heater isn't working, then it might, and I'm pretty sure it'll set these other codes, because it won't be able to heat up the oxygen sensor fast enough. So that's the one I wanted to focus on. And looking at the code description, it says this PCM, or the PCM, controls the heater on and off duty cycle to maintain a calibrated temperature. This DTC sets when the sensor does not warm up to the required temperature in a calibrated amount of time. This DTC also sets when the PCM is not able to maintain the required temperature after the sensor is warm. So what that's telling me is that the heater circuit is not working, or it's not working good enough. So what I did was I got a wiring diagram to see what pins were for the heater. And looking at this diagram, the heater are pins 3 and 4. And I'm sorry for the terrible picture, but if you're gonna test it, you're gonna test it at those 2 pins. And here's the connection, or the connector. There's 3 and 4. They're up and down right in the middle. So those are the ones you're gonna be testing towards the computer side when you disconnect the sensor. And using my scan tool, I commanded the sensor 1 on, because the codes are for sensor 1. And I put my test light on number 3 and 4, again towards the computer side, not the sensor. And I was seeing if it would light up my test light, and it was lighting up my test light. And that told me that the wires towards the computer were all good, because it's lighting up my test light. And this code is for the control circuit on the heater. So just those 2 wires are what the code is for. Now, is it possible that these other wires can cause this code? I mean, maybe, but that's super, super rare. So that's all, and you really need to test is 3 and 4. So the problem is, towards the connector, it could be wiring on the oxygen sensor, or the oxygen sensor itself. So here's more information if you need that information. Again, sorry for the terrible quality, but that's the best I can get. What I ended up doing is I took out the oxygen sensor, which is the sensor 1, the one at the top at the manifold. And as you can see, this is an NTK sensor. It's not a Motorcraft. There is an OEM Motorcraft Ford part, which you want to get. And NTK is actually is NGK. It's just their oxygen sensor line though. So what I ended up suggesting is replacing with OEM, Ford. Here's the part number for it if you need it. And ever since then, the customer has never come back. And it's an expensive part. It was like $200. So if it had gone bad, I'm pretty sure they would have been back. And it just goes to show how even a good aftermarket brand like NTK just isn't up to spec with OEM specs. I think what happened here was originally probably the car had a code like P0131, because usually what happens is when an OEM oxygen sensor fails, it only sets 1 code. Usually, that's what I see. So I think maybe it set 1 code. They took it somewhere to get diagnosed. They put it in an aftermarket NTK part, and then let them go. And then probably after a while, it just wasn't up. Like I said, what just wasn't up to spec. It wasn't getting hot enough, like an OEM was. And it just got all these other codes, because the sensor itself was working. It was reading. It was getting hot. It just wasn't up to spec. I tested the ohmage on the heater circuit, and it was good. It wasn't open, and it was. I think maybe I should have tested the OEM one too, but whatever. Basically, if you're gonna put an oxygen sensor, a sensitive sensor like this, you're gonna want to go OEM. Now, if you need any of these wiring diagrams, here I provided pictures on them. If you can stop the video and look to see what you can find. Here the power distribution for both of them, where the fuses are, the location, or what number they are. And here's a wiring diagram for the sensor number 2 and the connector side of it. So hopefully this helps you out. If you have any questions, just let me know.